The Realme P4 Pro is one of the latest phones in Realme's P series lineup that is aimed at striking a balance between reasonable price and good specifications. That said, this phone here also has a 144Hz display, 50 plus 50 MP cameras at the rear and the front, a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip paired with a HyperVision AI chip along with a 7000 mAh battery. Now we put all of these specs to the test and here's our detailed review of the Realme P4 Pro. The box contents include all the essentials you need to get started with the phone, and this also feels really good and really lightweight for something packing a 7000 mAh battery. The split back design looks premium, but the camera module part is a smudge magnet. Now Realme is offering an IP65 and 66 rating here along with an underwater photography mode, but that comes with a warning page so long that you might want to read that before trying it. On the front, you have a 6.8-inch crisp and bright display with 6500 nits peak brightness and 144Hz refresh rate. Realme is also giving a lot of software level options for HDR, brightness and motion blur control, which are really good to have. And this curved panel also adds a sense of premium to the phone and looks good too. At the back, you have a 50 MP plus 8 MP camera setup, and at the front, you have another 50 megapixel shooter. Both the rear main camera and the front camera can take up to 4K 60 FPS video, but the ultra wide here only takes up to 1080 30 FPS. You also get cool modes like tilt shift, street photography, AI landscape and dual video that are very good tools for content creation. As for the camera quality, food shots are crisp and clear, landscapes are also good, and there's great detail retention in almost all lighting conditions. Also, video stabilization and AI touch-up work fairly well most of the time, giving you good video output too. The ultra wide too gives you good pictures most of the time and you don't face any major warping issues with it. And the front camera also has good edge detection and gives you good portrait shots most of the time. Now we played BGMI on this phone with and without the GT mode, which varies the degree of how the HyperVision AI chip is triggered. Now Realme here has paired the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip along with a separate HyperVision AI chip. Think of this as a AI graphic accelerator for motion stabilization and improving the phone graphics. Now this dual chip combo is paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage running Android 15 out of the box. Now Realme also gives you some really cool features with Realme UI like the riding mode, Zen mode and waterproof pouch mode, but not without sprinkling the phone with bloatware. But you can uninstall it, and the good news is that this one gets 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates, so you can use it for a really long time. Speaking of using this phone, let's talk about the 7000 mAh battery and the 80-watt charger that you get in the box. Now, I started using this device on 14th August when I fully charged this phone to 100%. Then I played some games, made some videos and did some office work. And after all of that, I charged this again on 16th of August in the evening. And that was almost over 2 days of battery backup on a single charge. And from that point on, we charged this yesterday on 18th of August and it's today we are shooting this on 19th August and we still have about 90% left. So in most cases, for most users, even with a heavy workload, this phone should give you a full day of charge with no problem. So conclusion, Realme promised to come to the market as being a brand that listens to its users and then adapts. And the P4 Pro is no different, because with this phone, Realme is not only promising some solid specifications, a polished UI and optimized battery life, but they're backing it all with 4 years of security updates. That means that you can keep using your phone for a long time, and that matters a lot. So that makes it a good phone in our books, and that was our 360-degree review of the Realme P4 Pro. And for any other questions that you have about this phone, drop us a comment and we will respond to you. My name is Manik Beri, you're watching Gadgets 360 and I'll catch you in the next one.